Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, please keep watching. Okay, you guys, so here's the deal. I need to do something with my lips and I don't know what to do. It is rainy and there's a lot of moisture in the air, so the bangs are just like not, they're just not. So, also I've been like waking up just like with a horrible like migraine like every day. Last weekend was period week and it took me out. I was in so much pain every day. Saturday I could not get out of bed. Sunday I had to force myself out of bed because there's stuff needed to be done. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday was the first day that I was not in like extreme period related pain. And then like I ended up having a migraine and I have just not been right since. So yeah, like if I could get the time off work and I had the money to afford it, I would 1,000,000% get a hysterectomy. Like PCOS is no joke and like your periods are just so much worse. And I mean, I don't even know how to explain the pain that I was in like for 5 days straight. Like it was no joke. So anyway, if I seemed absent or you messaged me and I didn't get a chance to like respond or whatever, like I'm so sorry. I was just in so much pain. Like I did not know what to do, and having to function and go to work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like in that pain was horrible. Anyway, let's put something on the lips. This is the Hard Candy lip blur in the shade Smitten. It's just something kind of more neutral and I just need something on the lips. All right, you guys, so sorry, I just need to get that out there. It was a week, and this weekend I was hoping to get out and do some fall stuff, but it rained. So we actually ended up going to like Menards and the at-home store last night and looking at Christmas stuff because I'm like, I can't have fall, so you know, might as well, I don't know, move on to the next thing. Okay, this is the Alter Ego Amberglow palette. I am a huge Alter Ego fan. Their products are phenomenal. Their palettes are amazing. And I don't even know what time it is. I am like just running so late, but here is Amberglow. She is absolutely stunning. So I'm going to do a quick little look with this palette. Yeah, so it's 10:05. I'm usually like out the door and running errands at this point. Anyway, let's go ahead. Let's get started, you guys. I'm so sorry. And I did get my hair done. But like I mentioned, like there's a lot of moisture in there, so the bangs are just out of control, but that's okay. The hair is black once again. I don't know. I just feel like it just is my color and I look best with black hair. So it's probably what it's going to be for here on out until I get bored, and then it'll go like a little red, but you know, we'll get to that point when we get there. Let's start with the shade Velvet. This is such a pretty palette, you guys. I love this. I would also love to still be in bed, but stuff has to be done. Gotta run those errands. And my allergies are kicking in because like it's finally cooled off, but like not enough to where I guess all the crap in the air doesn't affect me. So yeah. Oh man. All right, you guys. So how are you doing? How's life? Let's go in with the shade Umber, which is the shade right here. I can't even figure out how to like hold a brush right now. My body is just like done. It's checking out. My brain, everything. Alright, you guys, so do you have this palette? I think it came out a couple months ago. Also, have you seen the new Bella Beauté bar palette? It's got like the reds, the blues, and greens. I do want to pick that up. Also, I do have an affiliate code with Bella Beauté bar. It's just my first name, Ashley, ASHLEY. If you would like to use it and support and help a girl out, I'd appreciate that so, so, so much. It comes out today, which is Sunday, October 26th, I think. I don't think I'll be able to pick it up today. I might have to wait like 2 weeks till I get paid again, but I do definitely want to pick it up. There's so many good palettes coming out these days. All right, now I'm going to take the shade Suede, and that's just going to be our lower lash line shade because I'm just wanting this to be really, really simple. Because, yeah, I'm just running really late. Allergies are just out of control. And, yeah, there's a lot of stuff I need to get done. It's never ending. Like, I don't know. It's like, that's what being adult is. You work all day, then you come home and you do more work. And it, like, never ends. It's not fun. Not fun. All right, I'm gonna go in with some glitter glue and just put that all over the lid because I just like really need to dive into one of these shimmers because they're all just absolutely stunning. Dang, I don't even know which one to go into because they're so pretty. Like, oh, all of them. They're all beautiful. Oh, and there are 2 cream shades. I just noticed that. Sundrop right here is a cream shade, and Bisque right here is a cream shade. Okay. I just love sparkly things. All right, so oh man, Dazzle, Rich, Halo, Ivory. Ooh. I don't know. Those are like the sparkliest. Those are like really calling me. Let's, oh, dang it. I don't know. They're all so pretty. I don't know. Oh man, let's do Dazzle. Let's do Dazzle right here. So pretty. So, oh yes. My goodness, it's beautiful. It is just absolutely stunning. So pretty. Man, you guys, if you don't have this palette, I highly, highly recommend. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't want to stop. I love, 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 love the shimmers. Okay. So I think that's good, you guys. Like I said, I just wanted something really simple. I'm going to go do my mascara. I don't know if I'll do liner or not, and I'll be right back. So I'm back. Ignore this eye. It's just having its allergy thing where it swells up, turns red, hurts really bad. It has nothing to do with the makeup. This is just what my eyes randomly do, and it's doing it. So let's disregard that. Like, it's pretty bad right now. It's pretty bad. I'm going to put some highlighter on. This is the Beauty Creations Party Effect highlighter. Or the shades Party Effect. It's the Final Finish Baked highlighter. I really like this. I just don't ever reach for highlighter during the week and I forget about it, and you know how that goes. Oh gosh, I'll be so happy when my allergies start behaving because, or they stop or whatever. I don't even know. but man, it's painful. And like, it's starting to get my sinuses, like I'm a little stuffy. But for the most part, it just attacks my eyes. And it's usually not both eyes at the same time, thank goodness, or I would not be able to see. All right, so good there. Oh man. You guys, it has been just the week from hell. Sorry, my phone is like down my shirt because I don't know why they don't make like more women's clothes with pockets, because God forbid we'd need somewhere to like put our phone or something when our hands are full, because you know, we usually are doing all the things. But whatever, that's neither here nor there. All right, let me just dry myself off a little bit. Yeah, it's been a rough week. I'm just done. And like literally tomorrow's Monday, so another 5 long days before I get some time off. Anyway, you guys, let's do a final look. All right, so this is so beautiful, you guys. Again, Alter Ego. Fantastic formula. This is the Amberglow palette. It is so pretty. Do you guys, can you see those beautiful, beautiful shimmers? Like, it's just absolutely stunning. Just gorgeous. All right, you guys. So I still don't think I have that hype button. YouTube. How can us small channels get where we need to go if you don't give us the privileges that are supposed to help us get there? Like, I don't really understand that, you know? It doesn't make any sense. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense, but that's okay, you guys. We're here, we're having fun, we're enjoying it. That's what it's all about. I am so sorry the spooky, scary story thing did not happen. I just, like I said last week, my period took me out. I've just been really stressed out. There's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes. But hopefully it's getting better. My husband went to a temp agency because hasn't heard anything about the job that he was promised, and I'm getting a little nervous. And his job that he was working at, they just don't have a place to place him. So he's like had nothing for like a week and a half. So he went to a temp agency. Hopefully there'll be something coming in there. I need some help financially. And the job that he was promised that we haven't heard anything about yet was going to be what was really going to help. And it seems like that's always like the one thing that never works out. So I don't know. But anyway, it's okay. That's life. It's how it goes. I know we're all struggling. Yeah. And things are about to get a lot worse. And it's terrifying. But anyway, yeah, it's just been a lot. I don't have the time that I used to have. I don't have the energy that I used to have. Like, this year has absolutely taken me out. So, yeah, so I'm sorry, you guys. Maybe we'll try and be able to do something, I don't know, in the future. But, like, as of right now, I don't think it's going to happen, or it'll happen, like, after spooky season. But, like, to me, it's always spooky season because, like, stuff has been ramping up around the house. It has been crazy. But yeah, in lives, I don't know when I'll be able to do those again, like on Sundays. I just don't have the time, the energy. I just don't. Life is just, I'm just exhausted all the time. I don't really know what's wrong with me, but anyway, you guys. Yeah, because I'm taking all the supplements. I'm sleeping more. It's just, my body's just not responding to it, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, you guys, remember you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. I hope you have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.